Yo guys, welcome to another video, and today I will be explaining how you can make a custom ringtone for your alarm. So, without further ado, let's get right in the video. Alright, so I know I kind of been going for like 2 to 3 months, but I'm trying to get back to daily uploading, which is probably never going to happen because of school and many things. But I will try to start uploading back in the summer. Yeah, in the summer. So yeah, but I'm giving y'all a tutorial. So yeah. So for this tutorial you would need GarageBand, SoundMaker, and a source like TikTok or anything that can export a video or something. Which in the example I would be using TikTok. So we're gonna go to TikTok. Um go to my TikTok page. 100 followers. Yeah, we just reached it. Anyways, so you could go to any video. I'm just recommending using mine. uh, then click
Watch till
on. I'm sorry for that. Um, click on any video, and as you can see, click on 3 lines. Then click on save video or copy link. I would recommend saving video. It's a lot easier. And then once you save the video, you will now go to the app SoundMaker. Um, yeah. So obviously SoundMaker is pulled up. It's completely stupid. Anyways, so now you're on SoundMaker and you export your video. So what now? So you see this little plus sign at the bottom. And you click on it and you press import from video. Now I'm not gonna do all that because it's a lot of effort. Or you could just click on my video, which I will show in the top right of the video. But um once you import it, it will be right here, and as you can tell, I will be in trouble. Anyways, anyways, okay. So once you got your wonderful ringtone, um, all right. So we learned that is not a good idea for me to do that ringtone. So I kind of went back and I'm gonna show you a different one because I don't want YouTube to take down my video, and y'all know exactly why I don't want to use that ring. Anyways, so I'm choosing this ringtone. So what you have to do is click on make. Um, then you click on GarageBand, which it will take you here, and then as you can tell, it appears right here. Now I'm not finna hold you on this. You hold on to it. You press share. You click on ringtone. Blah blah blah. Then it will. If you go to your settings, let's go down to. Let's see, where is it? Sounds and haptics. You click on that, and then you go to ringtone and blah blah. You change it if you want to change your ringtone. But to change your alarm, what you do is you go to alarm. Wait, what is it called? I don't remember the app. What is it called? Wait, clock. Clock. You go to clock. You go to your alarm. Don't worry, don't ask why I have something. And then you press add alarm, or you could just press edit and then click this line, and you can change it right here. But I'm just gonna make a new alarm. So as you can see, sound, and you can change the sound of the alarm you want to hear. And then basically, yeah, that's all you have to do. Just you could just skip at the end of the video if you really want to know. But yeah, and then you save it. I don't know if it will play. Um, I will be back when it plays. Yeah. Um. Yeah. That's I'm on alarm. So, um, check if you this man ain't gonna never see my video, but yeah, that's all you have to do. Quick and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and